Homemade carrot cream for tighten and brighten the skin. This cream will help you to eliminate wrinkles, pigmentation, dark spots, and sign of aging. First ingredient is a carrot. Please subscribe to my channel. Grate it. Please press the like button. Squeeze carrot juice. Carrot helps to get bright, clear skin. Carrot contains beta-carotene, vitamin C, which helps to eliminate wrinkles and reduce pigmentation and dark spots. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it very well. Take a pan and add carrot mixture. Put on fire and cook on low flame until it thickens. Transfer into a bowl and let it cool down. We will need 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Put into a pan. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it. Put on fire and cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Strain it immediately. Flax seeds gel. Let it cool down. Carrot cream after cooling. Add half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Mix it very well. Flax seeds gel after cooling. Add into carrot base. Mix all the ingredients very well. If you like the video, please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Transfer into a clean container. How to use. Wash your face with a cleanser. Apply it on your face, neck, and hands. Leave it for 30 minutes, then wash it. You can use this cream thrice in a week. Continue this cream until you get the desired results. You can put this cream in a fridge for 7 days. Thanks for watching.